Hello student, welcome to SCS online class. Today in class 5 math in chapter 7 money, I will start worksheet. Student, in this worksheet we use the notes and coins to add to the amount shown. Here we have different denomination, notes and coins. Student, what is denomination? Denomination represents the specific number of notes and coins. See here, this is 100 rupees note, 50 rupees note, 20 rupees note. Here we have 10 rupees notes and coins, both we have. 5 rupees coins, 2 rupees coins, 1 rupee coins. What we use? Now we have to use these notes and coins to make the given amount. But student, which denomination note and coin we use, how much to make the given amount? Student, we can use smaller denomination notes and coins to make the given amount, but it will be difficult to carry and difficult to do any type of transaction. So student, what we do? We take the bigger denomination note and then we make the amount. Let us start. Here we have 100 rupees note, student. So what we do? What we have to make? 635. See here, we have to make 635. So we take 6 notes of 100 rupees. We take 6 notes of 100 rupees and 35. Student, we take 120 rupees note and 110 rupees note and 5 rupees note. See, 620 plus 10, 30 and 5, 635. Student, we can make 635, 6 notes of 100 rupees, 3 notes of 10 rupees and 1 note of 5 rupees. In your worksheet, it is given like this only: 3 notes of 10 rupees he has taken and 1 note of 5 rupees. 10 into 3, 30 and 5 into 1, 5. So student, 635. Student, in place of 100 rupees, we can take 50 rupees also, but it is not a good idea, because if we have 100 rupees note, we should use 100 rupees note to make the given amount. So 100 how much? 6 notes of 100 rupees, 1 note of 20 rupees, 1 note of 10 rupees and 1 5 rupee coin. We make 635. Now next amount, rupees 717. 717. So how much, student? 700 rupees note, 700 rupees note. Now 10 rupees note or coin. We have both coin and note both. So 10 rupee note or coin, and how much? 7. 1 5 rupee coin and 1 2 rupee coin. 700. See, 10 plus 5 plus 2, 17. 717. So student, in this way we can make the given amount. Now next, 476. 476. How much note, student? How much note of 100 rupees we use? 4. 4 into 100, 400. So student, 400. Now how much? 50. 150 rupees note, 120 rupees note. 50 plus 20, 70. Now 1 5 rupees note and 1 rupees note. See, 470. 5 plus 1 6. 476. Student, I have explained in first amount only that we can use smaller amount also. But if we have bigger amount, we should take the bigger amount first. Clear? To make a given amount. So 400, see here, 150 rupees note, 120 rupees note, 5 rupee coin, 1 rupee coin. To make 70, we can take, student, 7 10 rupees note also, and we can take 2 20 rupees note and 3 10 rupees note, 20 20 40, and 3 into 10 30, 40 30 70. But it is easier to take 50 20. Clear? So I am taking this only. 400 rupees note, 150 rupees note, 120 rupees note, 50 plus 20 70, and 1 5 rupee note, 1 5 rupee coin, and 1 rupee coin. So student, 476. Now next, 999. How much note of 100 rupees? Student, 9 into 100, 900. 900. Now student, 150 rupees note, 220 rupees note. So 50 40 90. Now 1 5 rupees coin, 2 rupees coin. Calculate it. 900, 50 40 90, 990, and this 5 plus 4 9, 999. Next, 333. How much we take 100 rupees note? 3 notes of 100 rupees. 3 into 100, 300. So student, now 33. Student, we can take 120 rupees note, 110 rupees note, or we can take 3 10 rupees coin also. So student, whatever you want, you can take. So 300, I have taken 120 rupees note, 110 rupees note. So 20 plus 10, 30, and then 1 2 rupee coin and 1 rupee coin. See, 333. How is easier you can make your amount? Here, whatever denomination we have to use those denomination to make the given amount. Clear? Now student, here we have 557. So student, how much we take 100 rupee note? 5. 5 into 100, 500. Now 57. 150 rupee note. 1 student, 57. Now 1 5 rupee coin and 1 2 rupee coin. See, 557. 5 plus 2, 7. 557. We can take 5 10 rupees coin also. Student, 5 into 10 50, and then this 1 5 rupee coin and 1 2 rupee coin. We can make in this manner also. We can take 2 20 rupees note, 1 10 rupees note. We can make it 50, and then 1 5 rupee coin and 1 2 rupee coin. But this is the easier way. If we have 50 rupees note, why we will use this 20 and 10? So student, 100 rupee note, we will take 500 rupees note, 5 into 100, 500, and 150 rupee note, 1 5 rupee note, a 5 rupee coin, and 1 2 rupee coin. So 5 plus 2 7, 557 student. Now student 1131. So how much we take? 100 rupees. Student 10 rupees. 10 rupees. Not 10 student. 11. Clear? 11 into 100, 1100. 11 into 100, 1100. So student now 31. We can take 120 rupees note, 110 rupees note, and 1 rupee coin. So see here, 1131. We can take 3 10 rupees note student. It will make 3 into 10 30. At present I have taken 120 rupee note and 10 rupee note. So 20 plus 10 30, and I have taken 1 rupee coin. So 11 into 100, 1131. So student, in this way we make an amount. So this activity was that what denomination we use to make denomination notes and coins we use to make a given amount. So student, I hope you all have understood how to which denomination notes and coins we use to make an amount. We can use smaller denomination notes and coins to make a given amount, but good and wise way is that if we have a bigger amount, we should use that. So student, this worksheet is completed. Thank you.